Do you want to make a lakh rupee every month? Do you want to start something of your own? Then why don't you get into tailoring? Yes, what if I tell you that you can learn tailoring skills from the comfort of your home? Listen to me carefully. If you are an aspiring tailor or an aspiring boutique owner or someone who loves to stitch their own clothes, then this video is only for you. Friends, you should learn the skill of tailoring by learning the tailoring for beginners. But now you must be wondering, how will you learn practically? Well, if you watch random videos on social media, then you cannot get practical knowledge. Therefore, Freedom app, Bharat's #1 livelihood platform, brings to you a tailoring for beginners course. In this course, you will be guided towards success by an expert mentor and celebrity fashion designer, Miss Yogita Ravindra Kumar. She will teach you about all aspects of tailoring for beginners. And the best part is that after watching this course, if you have any doubts, then you can also connect with expert mentors via video call and get all your queries resolved. So what are you waiting for? Learn about tailoring for beginners and also explore more than 1200 life-changing opportunities only on Freedom app, which is trusted by over 1 crore users. Don't wait. Download Freedom app now.